Equipped with the all-new BYD e-Platform 3.0, the BYD Atto 3 is a revolutionary electric vehicle that promises to revolutionize the way you drive. Although the exterior design isn't something out of the box, the stylish interior, build quality, and performance of this car make it an outstanding choice for those seeking a premium electric car. In this video, I'll be giving you a detailed review of the BYD Atto 3. This car really amazed me, so I'm pretty sure you'll love it too. Alright, let's get started. BYD says that the Atto 3 comes up with a sporty look, but to be honest, this design is pretty generic, so you can't say that it will grab the attention of every car lover. However, the LED headlights are what you can consider as the highlight of the exterior design. The co-joined strip of the LED DRL across the front bumper makes the Atto 3 look pretty decent. The same co-joined theme is followed for the backlights, with the pilot lamps running from one tail lamp to the other. The door handles are, again, traditional, but they do feel durable while holding. At the rear quarter, you get to see a 3D pattern that wraps up the side profile. In terms of sizing, this electric vehicle is 1,615 millimeters high, having a wheelbase of 2,720 millimeters. Then you get the 18-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels with a pedal design that helps achieve a wind-resistant coefficient of 0.29 CD. So, in terms of build quality, you can't argue on anything. Now, before talking about the interior, which is, of course, pretty impressive, let me talk about its other highlighting features first. One of those highlighting features is the all-new BYD e-Platform 3.0. This platform is designed exclusively for pure electric vehicles and aims to optimize their performance, making them safer, more efficient, and giving a better driving experience. This modular EV platform can support several body styles, while giving some additional benefits, such as more cabin space, improved suspension and handling, and convenience for the driver. You also get a top-of-the-line energy-saving heat pump system. It is designed to reliably work in a broad range of temperatures and extract the most energy from its surroundings. This means that it can take heat from things like the powertrain, passenger compartment, and even the batteries. As a result, BYD Atto 3 has greater thermal efficiency and reduces energy loss when heating or cooling. In other words, you get an impressive low-temperature driving range, which is something we all want. In terms of acceleration, this car takes just 7.3 seconds to go from 0 to 100 kph, making it one of the quickest cars in its class. If we look at the top speed, this car can touch 160 kilometers per hour and can cover 480 kilometers on a single charge. This means that the car's average power consumption is 15.5 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers. Now, the most important part is the feeling of safety and comfort while you accelerate this EV. Because the engine produces 201 horsepower and 310 newton-meters of torque, the acceleration and power turn out to be pretty refined. So if you accelerate this EV, I can assure you that you will not feel like you're missing out on control and safety. Another great thing is that the car comes with Atlas Batman tires. The biggest benefit of these tires is that you'll barely notice any noise while driving the car. However, there is a little problem with its handling when you drive at high speeds. What I mean by this is that you might feel the handle is trembling a bit when you accelerate or apply the brakes at high speeds. The BYD Atto 3 offers 3 different driving modes: Normal, Eco, and Sport mode. But because this is not a supercar, you will not notice much difference between its normal mode and Sport mode. The Eco mode surely slows down the car, but remains pretty responsive in terms of acceleration if needed. The last thing is the battery performance. As I just said, this EV has a range of 480 kilometers on a single charge. And now most of you might be thinking about how long it will take to charge again. Well, BYD uses its own battery, known as the BYD Blade battery. The company claims that the BYD Atto 3 is compatible with a high-speed charging capacity of 88 kilowatts. As per claims, you can charge it from 30 to 80% in just 29 minutes. This means that your car will take roughly 50 minutes to charge from 0 to 80%. An impressive fact about this is that you can opt for the option to purchase an 11 kilowatt wall box that allows you to charge your Atto 3 at home. BYD has always been a pioneer in the world of interior design, and now they are taking it one step further with their Atto 3 interior design concept. The interior design of this car is far different from any other EV in the segment. The highlight of the dashboard design is its large touchscreen, placed in the center. Basic models have a 12-inch display, while top-of-the-line versions come with a massive 15.6-inch screen. The display is very responsive, and has an Apple-style menu, making it easy to navigate through. For added convenience, you can even connect your phone to the car using Apple CarPlay. Sadly, Android Auto users will have to wait a few months until the software update arrives and they can start using it. Overall, it is a unique rotating touchscreen that can switch from a landscape to a portrait orientation with the touch of a button. The sat-nav system is also accurate and easy to use in portrait mode, but you may have difficulty seeing the screen if you're wearing polarized sunglasses. Additionally, portrait mode may reduce your forward visibility. The BYD Atto 3 offers an amazing audio experience with its stereo speakers and LED lights that pulse to the beat. If you move your eyes, starting from the roof lining all the way to the lower end of the dashboard, you'll see that everything is finished in black, giving the car a premium look. And don't forget, you get a panoramic sunroof that adds to the comfort and luxury of the car. The front seats are comfortable, with imitation leather upholstery, but may be a bit too soft for longer journeys. And because it is a ground-up EV, you get a full flat floor area, giving enough space for 3 passengers to sit comfortably in the back seats. Due to the standard-fit panoramic sunroof, the headroom in the back is quite tight. Despite this drawback, the storage space of the car remains impressive. The boot provides 440 liters of space with the bench in place, and 1,338 liters when the rear seats are folded flat. This makes the Atto 3 a strong contender compared to other electric cars, such as the Kia Niro EV. The Atto 3 does not feature a front boot. This is unusual, considering the fact that there is a recessed area in the front, between the electric motor and the dashboard, that is large enough to easily accommodate a squashy bag or a small backpack. BYD has not included a dedicated boot compartment within this space, leaving the area open to be used for storage by those who have suitable items. The BYD Atto 3 is packed with the latest in safety technology, ensuring that you and your passengers feel secure. It comes with blind spot detection that helps you detect vehicles that are not visible to the driver in certain areas. In addition to this, you get lane assist, which helps you stay in your lane, and a rear view camera that records any activity behind the car. Traffic sign recognition, automatic emergency braking, and rear collision warning are also integrated into the system for added security. But the best among all is its crash test score. The car has been tested by Euro NCAP, and it scored 5 out of 5 stars in safety tests with a 91% adult protection score. This score is by far the top end among the cars in its class. Overall, the BYD Atto 3 is a great car, with many features that make it an attractive choice. It has good performance, great safety features, and plenty of technology to make your drive more enjoyable. But how much will you have to pay for the BYD Atto 3? Well, you can have this car for roughly $51,000. Of course, this is not the exact price and will vary from country to country. Considering all of the features and safety standards this car offers, it is surely a fantastic value for the money. If you're looking for a less expensive EV, I highly recommend you watch my video on the BYD Seagull EV, which costs only $11,400. The link will be in the description. Let me know in the comments what you think about the BYD Atto 3. Also, let me know if you want a detailed video on any other electric cars. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to the channel if you're new, and turn on those notifications so you don't miss any new videos. Goodbye for now.